War Day number 553. Yes, 553 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved a minute ago, the medium Sudoku. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. But I will solve this one. I will continue with this one, yes. The tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, number 7009. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have not already counted this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 by 11, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Sometimes we have tectonics or jigsaw Sudokus 8 by 11. Sometimes less. But this one has is a jigsaw Sudoku 9 by 11 with 20 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me see. Single boxes. No single boxes here. Duo boxes then. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no duo boxes here. I see here, this next question, a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so those two numbers should be the 1 or a 3. I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, middle box is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Quadra boxes then. Do we have more quadra? Do we have quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box, here a quadra box, and there a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this one, I cannot fill the numbers yet. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. This one, the 3 is already given, but yeah, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another one, a quarter box in the L shape. Well, if you see a quarter box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always 5. Yes, always 5. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here we have a quarter box, but I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information, so insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Yeah, another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 of those shapes that you need to recognize. 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. By the way, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle 2. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 3. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 1. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This one is also connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because we cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This one is connected with that one. Should be also a 1. Then. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 and 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2, can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5. Because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box should be also 1 or a 4. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this koala box. Should be there. This box can be a 1 or a 4 because we have a double 1 there, a double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this koala box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I cannot feel this yet. Then. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And we have a 5 here. So definitely a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. 1 and a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box, I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box, same story. I cannot place a 1 there. Because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this triple box should be there, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be 3. So the 3 could be here. Oh, and also these 2 boxes can be 3. And those 2 boxes can be 3. And this box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there then. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then. Let me think. This box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Yeah. Let me mark those. Yeah. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 now. So, sorry. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, and now 1 and the 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, we go down. Down. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this quarter box for number 1. How can I trigger those numbers? Did I make a mistake here? Did I make the mistake here? Well, it's unclosed now. 3, 4, 3 and 4. Overlook this. This should be not 2 and the 1. 2 and a 4 should be here. Yeah. 2 and a 4. Not 2 and a 1. 2 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 3. Okay. Overlook this error. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution. Place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 then. But we already have a 1 here. So not a solution. Place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, it's not a solution. Place 2 there. Because then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And we already have a 2 there. So it should be a 3 here. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Now we have a 2 here. So these 2 boxes, 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in, not in a minute, tonight. Yes, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.